Warm greetings to you all, and welcome to the Project Life channel. We're thrilled to have you with us as we explore the fascinating world of technology and finance. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to make money using just your phone. Yes, you heard that right. Your phone isn't just for scrolling through social media or playing games. It's a powerful tool that can help you generate income. In this video, we will demystify the process of generating income right from your phone. Your phone is not just for calls and texts, it's a powerful tool that can generate income. Consider this: the small device that you carry around in your pocket is more powerful than the computers that sent astronauts to the moon. It's not just a communication gadget, but a gateway to a global marketplace, a digital wallet, and a tool for unlimited learning and creativity. Now let's talk about the potential of your smartphone as an income-generating machine. The world has been digitized, and with a good internet connection, your smartphone becomes a portal to limitless opportunities. You can run an online business, offer freelance services, learn and teach new skills, trade in virtual markets, and even create and sell digital products. Think about it. The smartphone you use to scroll through social media, play games, or watch videos can also be the tool that pays your bills, funds your travels, or builds your retirement nest egg. All you need is a well-thought-out plan, a dash of creativity, and a strong internet connection. Making money from your phone isn't about quick riches or shady schemes, but about leveraging the power of digital technology to create and seize opportunities. In this digital age, your smartphone isn't just a tool of convenience, it's a tool of empowerment. With the right methods, your phone can become a significant source of income. There are numerous jobs you can do from your phone. Stepping into the realm of mobile-based jobs, the versatility and potential for income generation is simply incredible. One such job is being a virtual assistant. This role often entails managing emails, scheduling appointments, or handling customer service, all from the comfort of your phone. You're essentially a personal assistant, but instead of being tied to an office desk, you're untethered, free to work from wherever your phone has a signal. Another mobile job that's been gaining popularity is that of a social media manager. In this digital age, businesses are constantly seeking to expand their online presence, and where better to do that than on social media platforms where billions of people spend their time. As a social media manager, you get to create engaging content, manage posts, and interact with followers, all on your phone. But let's not forget about the world of online tutoring. With the rise in remote learning, there's been a surge in demand for online tutors. Whether you're a whiz in mathematics, a maestro in music, or a guru in a foreign language, you can share your knowledge and skills with eager learners around the globe. And the best part? You can do it all from your phone. If writing is more your thing, then consider becoming a freelance writer or blogger. From crafting compelling articles and blog posts to penning down creative stories, there's a wide array of writing jobs that you do on your phone. And with the right skills and dedication, you could be earning a decent income from your writing endeavors. These are just a few examples of the many jobs that can be done using a phone. The key is to find something you're good at and enjoy, and then leverage your phone to offer your services to the world. These jobs not only provide flexibility, but also a good income if done correctly. There are numerous apps out there that pay you for completing simple tasks. Now that's a statement that piques interest. Let's delve into this intriguing world of apps that can turn your smartphone into a money-making machine. First on the list are survey apps. These apps like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie reward you for sharing your opinion. It's as simple as answering a few questions about your shopping habits or opinions on certain products. Every survey completed earns you points, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Next up, we have apps that pay you to watch videos or ads. Yes, you heard it right. Apps like Inbox Dollars or Viggle reward you for watching videos from various categories. You can choose from cooking tutorials to the latest movie trailers. The time you spend on these apps can earn you some quick bucks. How about getting paid for testing apps? Apps like user testing or beta testing pay you for testing new apps and providing feedback. You get to try out new apps before they hit the market and your feedback can help developers improve their products. It's a win-win situation. We also have cashback apps like Rakuten or Dosh that give you a percentage of your money back when you shop through them. It's like getting paid to shop. Now, who wouldn't love that? And let's not forget fitness apps like Sweatcoin or Healthy Wage that pay you to stay fit. These apps reward you for walking, running, or completing fitness challenges, so you not only get healthier, but also earn some money along the way. Finally, there are gig economy apps like TaskRabbit or Fiverr that allow you to earn money by offering your skills or services. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or assembling furniture, there's a gig for everyone. So there you have it, a plethora of apps that can help you earn money right from your smartphone. The key is to find the ones that suit your lifestyle and interests. By spending a little time on these apps daily, you can earn a significant amount of money. So why wait? Start exploring these apps and let your smartphone do the earning for you. Your phone can also be a platform for selling products or services. Imagine the powerhouse of potential that lies within your pocket. That's right, we're talking about your phone. It's not just a device for communication or entertainment anymore. It's a tool that can make you money. One of the ways to turn your phone into a money-making machine is by selling products or services online. This isn't just about listing an old book on eBay or selling handmade crafts on Etsy. It's about realizing the vast array of opportunities that have become available in the digital age. You might have a knack for creating unique digital art, or perhaps you're a wizard at web design. Maybe you've discovered a talent for tutoring, or you've got a green thumb that could help others cultivate their gardens. Whatever your skill, there's likely an online platform where you can market and sell it. And let's not forget about physical products. If you've got goods to sell, platforms like Amazon and eBay can connect you with a global customer base. From vintage clothing to bespoke furniture, the possibilities are almost endless. But selling online isn't just about listing a product and waiting for the sales to roll in. It's about understanding your audience, creating compelling product descriptions, and managing customer relationships. All of these tasks can be managed from your phone. There are also numerous apps designed to help you succeed in selling online. From inventory management tools to customer relationship management software, these apps can streamline your operations and boost your productivity. Remember, the key to success in online selling is consistency and quality. Keep your products or services top-notch, respond to customer inquiries promptly, and always strive for improvement. Online selling isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and a lot of dedication. But with the right approach and the power of your phone, you can turn your passion into profit. Selling products or services online can be a great way to make money using your phone. Investing and trading are another way to make money with your phone. This isn't about quick cash, it's about building wealth over time. You might be thinking, I don't know the first thing about the stock market. That's okay. There are several mobile apps designed to guide beginners through the process. Let's talk about stocks first. You can use apps like Robinhood or E-Trade to buy and sell stocks. They offer user-friendly interfaces and educational resources to help you understand the market. By investing in stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of a company, hoping its value will increase over time. But stocks aren't the only game in town. There's a whole world of cryptocurrencies out there. Apps like Coinbase or Binance make it easy to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other digital currencies. Just remember, cryptocurrency is highly volatile, meaning it can fluctuate wildly in value. It's not for the faint-hearted. Then there are apps like Acorns or Stash that take a different approach. They round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the change. It's a painless way to start investing without even noticing. With careful planning and a little bit of knowledge, investing and trading can be very profitable. But remember, all investments come with risks. So do your research, start small, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. It's your money after all. Make it work for you. Making money with your phone is not a myth, it's a reality that many are living today. We've journeyed through mobile-based jobs, apps that pay, selling products or services, and even delved into investment and trading. The potential of your phone as a tool for income generation is boundless. It's a gateway to a world of opportunities right at your fingertips. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Project Life channel for more useful insights. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.